What's up, guys? Here we've got a brand new plane, a Volantex RC. This one's a 6-axle gyro system. It is a Warbird. But which Warbird have we got? Because there's some different ones. Let's get into it. Right, so let's get into this. This is my second plane I've had from him. What was this one? But that is now on the wall for good reasons. Just gonna be careful getting this out because I can remember the controller's in the bottom. This is a much bigger controller compared to the other one. So that's the controller, as you can see. In this bit here, we've got loads of extra blades. We've got our batteries and landing gear. Don't know if you might already be able to tell. It's a Spitfire. And as you can see in there, we've got a little pilot. Right, so yeah, that's our plane. Oh, the camera crew's gone. It's fully gyroed. So we've got these that move. All of them. So that's good. I'm quite happy about that. Right, I finally worked out how to put the front wheels on. There's a bit of a gap there. You just push it in there. You hear a tiny click on both of them. So that's the front ones on. Should be nice and simple. Just push it in. So you hear a nice click. That's a controller. Takes 4 AA batteries. Right, let's see some power. Make sure it's on. You go up and down, and we go.
That's not bad. You can feel the wind off back.
There's all the gyros moving properly. So I reckon we should take this out and have a fly. This is the maiden flight.